Magandang araw po sa ating mga kasama. My name is Mr. Paulo Martinez Tabirara, Tournament Director po ng softball sa Palarong Pambansa and the Director for Grassroots Development Program ng Amateur Softball Association of the Philippines. Kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa ating mga kasamang turo na walang sawang nagpapalaganap ng softball within the Department of Education, whether as a coach, an umpire, or scorekeepers. Sana po marami pang learners natin yung maingganyo na maglaro and eventually ma-enjoy nila yung softball as a means to spend their free time ng masaya. Play ball!